ELOG lauds the bold decision taken by the Supreme Court. Having consistently observed the electoral processes closely for the last 8 months and sharing our findings consistently, the ruling gives Kenyans and the concerned institutions another opportunity to conduct elections that will be credible, free and fair, and in accordance with the laws of the country. Over and above the PVT observers that we deployed, the 1,700 PVT observers we deployed, we also had over 5,000 stationary observers, which were found in all the wards in the country, who filed reports that are still being analyzed. So we do not have people monitoring the transmission process and the electronic processing of data. Our E-Day reports, therefore, address themselves to the polling day activities, which included the opening of polling stations, the voting process, closing, and the counting processes.
I would like to ask them, let's come together and reason with sobriety. And let the 60 days that have been given to us by the Supreme Court be an opportunity to sharpen the tools, to sharpen our effectivity so that we secure the country, not individual interests, but we secure the country for the people to express their will as ruled by the Supreme Court.
We all saw the decision of the court, and the court has directed IEBC to carry out the fresh elections. So I don't think as an observation group would have a different position. The most important thing is that we respect the decision of the Supreme Court. It's a key critical infrastructure in the election process. So whatever directions that the Supreme Court has given, we stand by those directions.
We know very well in our constitution that the IEBC is the body mandated to carry out an election. For any other body, save the IEBC, to conduct an election, then that would necessitate a review of our constitution. We know very well that that is not even possible by dint of imagination in the next 60 days or now 55 days or thereabout. So if we're to look at the spirit and within the brackets of our constitution, the IEBC is the body to conduct the election. Now, what stakeholders and other political players need to do is to reflect on what kind of changes could minimally be carried out or possibly be carried out within the body itself, IEBC, so that it does not interfere with the capacity, ability of IEBC to carry out the election within the period stipulated and even guided or directed by the Supreme Court.